Welcome to Bench Time Builds. It's Walt here. Going to take up a minute of your time with a short video, but a well-deserved video. I want to give a shout out to Brian with Sparky's Model Salvage. Great page. If you're new to the hobby and you're new to YouTube and its community, run over to Brian's page, subscribe. Look at his older videos. There's a lot of information there, tips on weathering and everything else. But also, if you're looking to purchase model kits, older kits, sealed in box, open box kits, he has bag kits, he has military kits, he has, I think he even had a few science fiction kits. But the thing about him is he's fair, down to earth, and real. If something's missing in the kit and he doesn't know if it is or not, he'll tell you. If it's missing and he knows, he'll tell you. He's not the type of person to take advantage, and his prices are fair for me. I've been doing this for 2 years and I don't have a real outlet, a real hobby shop that I can go to or that I'm aware of that's in town to where I'm at right now. If you're anyone that's been on YouTube for a while and you're a part of the scale model building community, you probably already know who he is because he has over 40,000 followers. And it's not really, this shout out isn't really about me trying to build his channel because I got like 30 followers, he's got 40,000. It's about bringing recognition to cool people. One of the things that drew me into YouTube and to making videos and being a part of this community was how cool the people are. If they got 10 followers or if they got over 40,000 followers, they're down to earth and they're real. So that's one of the reasons, Brian, I'm starting a new thing. It's called Bench Time Builds Wall of Fame. And you're going to be the first guy on it, brother. So that being said, from now on, whenever I come across someone that really deserves the recognition for being a cool person, they're going to join you up on the Wall of Fame. So thank you, Brian. Congratulations for everything that's going on with you, all the doors that are opening up for you, my friend. I'm glad for you, my friend. Again, if you're looking to purchase models, if you're looking to get some real down-to-earth information about scale model building, run over to Brian at Sparky Model Salvage. Cool people. Enjoy the bench.